Hi guys, in this tool I want to create a nice landscape starter tutorial like this. Okay, how to add assets and create a landscape like this. Adding foliage, adding trees, and make it a bridge and a river. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, create new project. After that, go here to file, select new level, choose basic level, delete this landscape. After deleting this landscape, we have to go here, save current level, hit save. Now let's return here to landscape mode. Want to create a landscape. After creating this landscape, we have to save all and return here to selection mode and go here to app. Okay, select fab. Okay, after that, let's search for house. More filter. Set price for free. I want to show only free products. After that, download any house as you want. Okay, pick this one. Okay, fine. Return right here. And search for dry. Okay, there dried grass. This one. And add to my project. Okay, after that, let's search for spruce. Want to download. Okay, spruce forest. Want to download this one for free. Can add to my project. Okay, choose this version and hit add to my project, and the downloading is begin. Well, after download those files, you have to close this, go this, and go right here. Go here to content. As you can see, you have those files. We have to go right here. Want to enable this static mesh. After enable this static mesh, Control A, select all of those, and here enable nanite. After enabling nanite, we have to go right here and go here to edit, plug in, search for water. Okay, choose this one and hit yes, all, and restart the engine. Click restart, save selected, and the engine is restarting. Okay, now let's close this and return right here to my level. Open it. What we're gonna do? We go here. Okay, as you can see, this is my arrival. Make it like this, and we go right here. Okay, now I think it's good. Select this point and drag it here to make it bigger. After that, let's save all. I return here to content drawer, minimize this content drawer, and drag this wooden bridge. You can get it from the link on the description. Hit import. Okay, after importing this bridge, wanna rotate it. And let's make it bigger. Press R. Okay. And let's make it like this. And now let's go here, map to fab, and go here to Mega Scanners, Surfaces, right Grass, Material, and select this landscape like this, and go down, Landscape Material, and drag here, this one like this. Okay, we have some problem with the tiling. Let's fix it. Double click here, go to Global, Tiling. Okay, reduce this tiling. Go here to the X and Y. I want to be a nice result with realistic. Thanks, man. Base color, specular. Fine. ORM, fine. Now let's go here to normal. Okay, think the result is good right now. For the displacement, you can choose any texture displacement texture here and add. For me, I already now it's fine. Close this. And now let's return right here and go here. Where is my person character? Add start player here. And let's see. Okay, the result is nice. As you can see, let's get it rid. I get rid from this. Start player, press delete, and let's see. Okay, my player character is here. My bridge is, there is problem with the collision process bridge. Okay, select this bridge and go right here. Edit button. Search here for collision. Collision and go down. Collision complexity. Okay, use complexes collision as simple and hit save. Let's return. Okay, as you can see, it works fine. Now, let's add our house in this place. Return here content, fab, house, select set mesh, and go here. My house is look gigantic. Okay, let's reduce the scale. 0.02, 0.02, 0.0. Okay, it's still big. 0.005, 0.005, and 0.005. Now let's make it this house in this place. Okay, as you can see, it's looks nice. Now let's move to the next step. Is to add some foliage. Let's add some trees for this scene. We can go here to the foliage mode. Go here to content. This is full. Okay, let's choose this one here. You can add it manually or you can choose here drop as a foliage. Okay, let's choose it. One full. Two. Okay, I have three. trees. Mhm. Okay, look at the density. It looks not good. Control C and select both of them. First one, second one, third one. And go here, density, make it 1, 3. For min scale and max scale 0.8, 1.8. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's add it. Okay, as you can see, it works fine. Now, let's add the area like this. And make it, I want to make it as a forest. Now, and let's return right here. Okay, let's return right here. And let's go here to meshes on half. Okay. One, second one. Okay, you can test like this, or let's add it. For example, I want to add one here. Okay, this one, make it one. It looks not good. Select it, make it 1 tree. And let's see. Okay, fine. Uh, okay, after that, let's add some grass. Let's return it select mode and let's see what result we have. Okay, this is my house. I think it's good. Okay, there is problem with the collision with the house. Let's fix it. Select the house. Return here, edit house. Go here, collision. I go down, create project default, make this, and save. Okay, the problem is fixed. Now let's add some grass. How to add that? You have to go here to Fab and search for grass. Price for free. Okay, let's search this one, wild grass. Choose medium quality. Add this. Yes. Okay. Downloading is begin. Let's choose this one. Okay, fine. Now let's return here to the foliage mode. And select all of those. And return here content. Tab. Grass vegetation mix. And let's select static mesh. Add this one here. And return here. And add those type of grass. Okay, fine. Now let's select both of them. Go here to density, make it 50 for the radius. 0.5. 1.5. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the grass. And now, let's make it 100 and deselect this one. Okay, fine. Now, okay, as you can see, it looks nice. The problem is in the river there is some grasses here. Let's press Ctrl Z. Fix this problem. Okay. Let's up the speed of the camera. Let's press play and let's see. Return here to selection mode. Okay. This is all. It works fine as you can see. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This all for this tutorial. See you later on the next tutorial.